Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create cartoon effect in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select this image. And hit open. Cool. Now take polygonal lasso tool. And select the head like this. Cool. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the selected part. Hide the bottom layer. Select the layer. Now take Quick Selection tool and hit on Select Subject. Here Photoshop uses the artificial intelligence to select the main subject automatically. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the selected part. Now delete the bottom layer. Unhide the main layer. Perfect. Now select top head layer. And hit Ctrl T for transform. Hold Alt button and increase the head like this. You can use Shift and Alt buttons in previous versions. Press Enter. Cool. Now select these two layers by holding Shift button. Then right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Perfect. Now the time to change this image to cartoon look. So go to Filter and choose Liquify Filter. Hit Ctrl plus to zoom in. Hold spacebar and use left mouse button to position the face. Now go to Face Aware Liquify options. Here open eyes. Increase both eye sizes to 100. Increase both eye height to 100. Increase both eye width to 100. Decrease the eye distance to -20. Cool. Now open nose option. Here increase the nose height to 100. Cool. Now open face shape options. Here decrease the forehead to -10. Increase the chin height to 25. And press OK. Perfect. Now go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Here select Poster Edges. Increase the edge thickness to 2. Edge intensity 1. Posterization 0. And press OK. Cool. Again go to Filter, Blur, and choose Surface Blur. Here increase the radius to 2 pixels. Also increase the threshold to 2 levels. And press OK. Perfect. Now go to Adjustment Layer options and choose Vibrance Adjustment Layer. Here increase the vibrance to 100. Saturation to 5. Perfect. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.